Look at this day, sunny, 75. Anyways, what's up guys, how's it going? So we've had some pretty good videos this week. It's pretty interesting ideas. No one's got hurt yet. Hopefully no one gets hurt. But yeah, I think we're gonna have 20 videos out of this whole trip, so it's pretty crazy. So we're just skating out here on the lake. Chad finally grew a set and drove his truck out on the ice. And we were watching some other videos and we thought to ourselves, why don't we try some chainsaw skating? We saw a few videos online. I was like, oh, okay. One guy did it in his boxers, which seems pretty unsafe. But yeah, so we got a chainsaw, rented some skates, and we're good to go. Hopefully it goes well. I wouldn't recommend trying this at home. Obviously chainsaws are very dangerous. You can hurt yourself pretty quick. But yeah, I'm gonna try it because I do a lot of dangerous stuff, and because we can and we will, right?
You know it.
So yeah, let's fire up that chainsaw, fire up all drones, and then I think later we're gonna blow up a tree. So let's get her done. Oh, this is probably one of the more dangerous things I've done, but you know, like the party. Oh, hey, drone. Well, it worked out right. Not as good as I thought. Definitely had to get some momentum first. Put a couple little scratches in the ice, nothing crazy. Whew. I'm out of breath though. Might try her again. I don't want to piss anyone off. Probably already did. Sorry guys. Oh. It's an absolute beautiful day though. Some crazy crap out here too. Oh. Yeah, you can't complain about this life out here. Oh, look at it. Take it all in. Train's just going by over there. All right, let's give her another whirl. Then we'll get out of here and go blow up a tree possibly. I'm fogging up. Oh, that's that. Thanks, Steel, for the chainsaw. Thank you, Skate Rental Company, for the skates. Thank you, Lake, for the ice. That was a fun time. Never done that before in my life. A little dangerous. Wouldn't recommend doing that. Chainsaws are very dangerous, but you know, you gotta try it once, right? So figured I'd try it out. Whew, I'm out of breath. Ready for lunch, so get ready. We got lots more videos coming. Some compilations, some crash compilations, a little trip compilation. And then I might be going to California next week. I'm not sure yet, so. Oh, whew. How you feeling, Chad? Yeah? You're not too out of breath from flying that drone, are you?
No, it's not too bad. My finger's a little sore. But...
Oh, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys. Make sure you check out this week's videos. We did a ton of sledding, snow biking, and amazing stuff. Just an amazing time out here. You can have so much fun. Winter, summer. I'm definitely going to come back in the spring or summer for sure. So check out the links below. Check out the other videos. Follow Potter Shots. And have a fantastic day. We'll see you guys later.